Hey railing lovers, it's Bart here from Craft-Bilt. We're in Claremont, Ontario today, in the backyard of this lovely home, to check out some recently installed Craft-Bilt aluminum railing. Let's have a look. So let's break down what's going on with this Craft-Bilt railing job. It is our standard handrail design, glass infill. It's using our crossover post design where the handrail passes above the post. And it also features a great deal of the Craft-Bilt sconce light. These are high output LED sconce lights. All the wiring is hidden. You don't see anything. At the corners, at the top and bottom of the stairs, this job uses our large 5.5-inch posts. And this job actually features 3 balconies. And you can see one of them behind me, built the same way. Craft-Bilt makes beautiful matching gates for our aluminum railing. Heavy-duty molded hardware, lockable, and heavy-duty molded hinges, spring-loaded. So as we said, this is a glass railing installation. Usually on your stairs and landings, however, you will use picket infill. But this sure is a nice job. It's going to provide many, many years of enjoyment for this family. Thanks for watching.